Vivint smart home users lose Alexa Plus integration. What you need to know. Amazon's Alexa is crucial for Vivint smart homes, but Vivint won't support the new Alexa Plus. Current integrations work, yet upgrading disconnects devices, impacting home efficiency. Vivint informs customers, Amazon demands more data access for Alexa Plus compatibility, affecting third-party services like Vivint's platform. Vivint, however, has chosen not to comply. The company said its decision comes down to a commitment to customer privacy and security, which are core principles in the way it designs products and partnerships. What happens to current Alexa users? The good news is that if you're using the existing Alexa platform, your integrations should continue to work as they do today. Keep controlling Vivint systems and other compatible devices. The only caveat is if you transition to Alexa Plus, Vivint devices will no longer integrate. What Alexa Plus brings and why it matters. Alexa Plus is Amazon's major upgrade, making Alexa smarter, faster, and more context-aware with advanced AI and enhanced integration. How GearBrain can help. If you're a Vivint customer, this change may leave you wondering about device compatibility. GearBrain's Compatibility Find engine helps determine which devices work with Vivint. What should Vivint customers do next? Stay with current Alexa. If integration works, no change is needed. Use GearBrain before you buy. Ensure new devices are compatible with Vivint. Explore other voice platforms. Consider Google Assistant. Stay informed on Alexa updates. The bottom line. Vivint smart home users face a choice. Stick with the current Alexa or switch to Alexa Plus and lose support due to privacy concerns. GearBrain's Compatibility Find engine helps find compatible smart devices to keep your home efficient.
Go to GearBrain for more information.